Verifying your Uber account is essential for ensuring your identity and maintaining the security of your rides. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the verification options. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Account Verification. In the Settings menu, look for the Account section. Here, you will find the option for Account Verification. Tap on it to begin the verification process. Step 4. Follow verification instructions. Uber will provide specific instructions for verification, which may include confirming your phone number, email address, or uploading identification documents. Follow the prompts carefully to complete each step. Step 5. Confirm verification completion. Once you have submitted the required information, you will receive a notification regarding the status of your verification. Check your email or app notifications to confirm that your account has been successfully verified. Completing these steps will help ensure your Uber account is secure and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for assistance.